In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to Power BI, step by step. This tutorial is designed to help you seamlessly integrate data between these powerful tools, enhancing your ability to analyze and visualize project information. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open up Jira. Look over to the left sidebar, where you'll find a section labeled Apps. Click on this section, which will take you to all the available apps and installations you can use with Jira. Once you're in the Apps section, look for an option that says Explore More Apps. This is essentially your gateway to a whole range of plugins and integrations that can enhance your Jira experience. Click on Explore More Apps, and you'll be directed to Jira's App Marketplace. Now, you need to search for the appropriate plugin to bridge Jira with Power BI. In the search bar, type Power BI Connector. Here, you'll see a list of options specifically designed to connect Power BI to Jira. Each of these plugins offers different features and functionalities, so it's a good idea to briefly review them to see what best fits your needs. These plugins might offer additional features, such as different levels of data integration or user interface enhancements, so choose wisely based on your specific project requirements. After reviewing your options, select a plugin from the list. Once you've made your choice, click on it to proceed to the installation page. Follow the on-screen instructions to install your chosen plugin. Each plugin may have slightly different installation steps, but generally, they will guide you through the process of granting necessary permissions and connecting your Jira account to Power BI. If at any point you run into a snag, most plugin pages have troubleshooting guides or user support available, so don't hesitate to use those resources. Once your chosen plugin is installed, follow their specific connection process, which will usually include linking your Power BI account. This final step ensures that Power BI can pull data directly from Jira for analysis and reporting. It's crucial to make sure the authentication steps are completed correctly to avoid any data disconnection issues later on. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've connected Jira to Power BI, enabling you to leverage Jira's data within Power BI's robust analytics and visualization platform. This integration can be particularly powerful for creating interactive dashboards and detailed project reports, making your data more actionable and insights more accessible. Thank you for watching, and now you can go ahead and start visualizing your Jira data in Power BI with confidence.